How's it going, YouTube? I did a video a little while back about making another one of these solar lights, and I went into a little bit more detail I'm going to do now. This was really just to see how awkward I could make it for myself, and as it turns out, I can make it very awkward. But that's enough talking for now. Let's crack on. For anyone who stuck it out this far, thanks a lot for watching. Yeah, I was pretty pleased with how this one turned out actually. I think it looked nice. Oh god, was it an ordeal to cut out. But anyway, if you liked it, maybe consider dropping a like or even subscribing down below. It would help me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!